Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into the house of Zaharoff, okay? And in particular, we have Aurum. Aurum. I'm not gonna waste too much time. Go ahead and get this right on the back. Bam! Ooh, that is strong. Sweet, honey, nutty, warm spice, balsamic, vanilla, woody, cinnamon, amber, and animalic. Okay, it's definitely changing. The cinnamon is coming out. Yeah, it's changing a lot. I did not like that on the initial spray. It was really, really bad. Where are we at here? In the top notes, you got honeycomb, cinnamon, and clove. In the middle, you have walnut, hazelnut, almond, coconut milk. In the base, you have vanilla, praline, tonka bean, and amber. The walnut is like really nutty. Like it is maybe it's the hazelnut too. I like this. I mean, it's a very Christmas, Thanksgiving scent, like for sure. I do think a woman could probably rock this any time of the year, all year round. It would be a little bit much in like you know, the dead of summer, but yeah, it's really sweet. There's not a whole lot going on here. It did change up a lot. At first, I don't know what I was smelling. Maybe it was the cloves, or it could have been honey. But honey can be a bit funky sometimes. It also smells like Honey Nut Cheerios, which is weird because I haven't had Honey Nut Cheerios in a very long time. But I am definitely getting it here. Definitely getting it here. There's this underlying funkiness going on. It does say animalic, right? Well, I'm wondering where the animalic aspect is coming from. Overall, not bad, not bad. I mean, I don't have a whole lot to say about this. It smells like exactly what it is. I mean, it's like Honey Nut Cheerios. It's super nutty, super spice. A lot of cinnamon, a lot of hazelnut. I think it's a cool representation of those things. I don't necessarily know if I would like want to wear this, but not bad, not bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It's very youthful too, very youthful. So, but yeah, that's all I got for this. I think the bottle's pretty dope. Yeah. Aurum. Oh, it's a honey. It's a bee. It's a bee with a honeycomb. That's pretty cool. Hey, pay for what you get. It's exactly what it is. So yeah, I mean, if you want to smell like Honey Nut Cheerios, praline, I think that the vanilla is also very strong in here. I'm getting a lot of honeycomb, a lot of cinnamon, a lot of clove, a lot of hazelnut, and a lot of vanilla. And tonka bean can be a bit nutty too. So, but yeah, not terrible, not terrible. Very youthful, very feminine. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.